72 lakh per annum. These are the kind of salaries people are getting in India when they are integrating AI tools and AI agents for their work, because they are able to automate 95% of their work and they are able to work as much as 10 people, and they are becoming irreplaceable in the job market. And what's the first step that they take? They attend my AI tools workshop of 3 hours where we teach 15 AI tools and you are going to get certified as well. The best part is you do not require any kind of prior knowledge. Is our workshop any good? No, it's not good. It's freaking awesome because it is attended by 3 million working professionals across the globe, rating us 4.9 out of 5, setting up a world record. After this workshop, you'll be able to create presentations in 10 seconds. You'll be able to become a top 1% Excel user. You'll be able to build apps in just 1 minute. You'll be able to study 300 plus pages in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. And not only that, you'll also be able to analyze your data in just 2 minutes. And the best part, again, is you don't require any prior knowledge in order to attend this. And now you must be having this question, who is this workshop for? If you're a tech professional, finance professional, educator, business owner, or product manager, basically if your job requires you to use a computer, then this program is absolutely for you. And not only that, you're also going to get bonuses such as 1000 plus prompts, Excel and PowerPoint bundle. Not only that, you'll be getting an AI career roadmap for 2026 to 2030. And the third bonus is the AI LinkedIn and AI resume pack. So what are you waiting for? All of this costs less than your cup of tea. So click the link below, register now, and I'll see you inside the workshop, because these bonuses are for limited spots.